Hi, I'm Jonathan, your virtual tutor. I will be guiding you through this exercise today. In this tutorial we are going to give you the basics about closing out a drawer. Closing out a drawer allows you to reconcile all funds received on that bank. First step would be to log into the point of sale system. Please enter your access code and press login. After a successful login, you will be directed to the main page. To the right of this panel you will see up to 4 options: Order, Banking, Customer, and Management. Since this is a banking operation, press the red Banking tab. Next, look for the button that says Open and Close Drawer and select that button. During the various steps of this process you may be prompted with confirmation dialogues. Please read the messages and proceed accordingly. Let us review the attributes of this close-out drawer screen. Starting with the buttons at the top. The Bills button gives you the option to enter the count of bills with the various values of 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, and $1 bills. The Coins button gives you the option to enter the count of the various values of 50 cents, 25 cents, 10 cents, 5 cents, and 1 penny options. The Add Funds button gives you the option to enter a fixed value. This is very useful if you to enter known amounts or have rolled change. The Exact Close button will close out the bank with the exact amount needed. This should only be used when verification of received funds is not needed. Precision recommends that ownership or management only use this feature. Finally, the Open Drawer button will pop open the register drawer. For this example we are going to close out the drawer by doing a physical count. Let us assume we have 3 20s, 7 10s, 78 ones, 79 quarters, 47 dimes, 15 nickels, and 92 pennies. Next, we are going to use the Other Funds button to add our rolled change. After you have completed counting the finished amount, press the Count button. Next you will be brought to the Bank Discrepancy screen. Let us review the attributes of this Bank Discrepancy screen. The 3 lines icon will give you default discrepancy reasons. The Receipt icon will print out a copy of your entered counts. The Recount button allows you to go back and modify your counts. The Remote Approval button will send a text to management to allow approval of this discrepancy. Complete saves the discrepancy description. Once completed you may be prompted to get approval depending on discrepancy tolerance set by management. You have now successfully completed the bank closure and reconciliation of your funds. Thank you. And please visit Precision Classroom to view all the tutorials.